Hi, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Katie.
I'm Steph.
We are a married lesbian couple from Vancouver and the creators of Let's See the World.
Tonight we are out in Abbotsford for a little date night. We're here at 5 Acres Flower Farm and we're gonna do a little wine tasting and make a bouquet, and we're super excited about it.
It's so beautiful here. We can't wait to show you. It's such a gorgeous night, perfect for this.
All right, let's go pick some flowers and have some wine.